Fertilization. Fusion of male and female gamete to form a diploid zygote, that is called as fertilization. Double fertilization. Double fertilization, it is a characteristics of angiospermic plant. Double fertilization means that the fusion of two male gametes from a single pollen grain at two different places in the same ovary is called as double fertilization. When the pollination is appear, the pollen grain is fall on the surface of stigma. On the surface of stigma, sugary solutions are present, and due to the sugary solution, a stickiness is appear and it capture the pollen grain. When it capture the pollen grain, you know that in the pollen grain the two layers are present. Outer layer is called as the exine, inner layer is called as the intine. In the exine, a opening is present, that is called as a germpore. When the pollen grain is attached to the surface of the stigma, the sugary solution is entered through this germpore. Exine is not affected, but intine absorb the sugary solution and a pressure has been created, and from that a tube-like structure comes out, and this tube is called as pollen tube. Because the tube which is developed from pollen grain, so it is called as a pollen tube, and this pollen tube passes along with this style. In the pollen tube, the three nuclei are present. The first nucleus that is developed, that comes from vegetative nucleus, and second, that is the two male gametes are present, and which are developed from the germinative cells. These are passes along with this style and reaches to the micropyle end. When it reaches to the micropyle end, here the filiary cells are present, which are useful for the fertilization. In the embryonic sac, the 7 cell 8 nuclei are present. Now you can know that here the 7 cell, this cell is called as egg apparatus, and these 3 cells are called as the antipodal cell. Antipodal cells are present toward the chalaza, and egg apparatus is present toward the micropyle end. The pollen tube is entered any one of the sanigrids cell, and here the pollen nuclei will be disappear, and the two male gamete is entered into the embryo. Now you observe, it will be entered into the embryo
sac, embryo,
here you observe that, and
embryo
through
sac,
that, the pollen tube is entered, male gametes are entered. The first male gamete is fused with the egg to form zygote, and the second male gamete is fused with the secondary nucleus to form pen, that is primary endosporic nucleus, and from the egg zygote will be produced. Here it is also called as a triple fusion, because here the two nuclei are present, two polar nuclei are present, and one male gamete. These are the 3 nucleus, so it is called as a triple fusion. After the fertilization, the post-fertilization phases are started. After the fertilization, post-fertilization stages are started. The post-fertilization stages are development of embryo, development of endosperm, and formation of seed and seed coat. Development of endosperm, it is the post-fertilization phase. It takes place after the fertilization. When the second male gamete is fused with secondary nucleus to form endosperm. Endosperm give the nutrition to the developing embryo. In case of monocot, it is not completely used. It will be persist up to the maturity. But in case of dicot, it will be completely used. Types of endosperm. There are 3 types of endosperms, and these 3 types of endosperms are nuclear endosperm, cellular endosperm, halobile endosperm. Now we are observing the nuclear endosperm. In the nuclear endosperm, the endospermic cell undergoes karyokinosis, and the nucleus which are present inside that will be fragmented, and they are arranged periphery and scattered in the cytoplasm. Now you observed that in case of cellular endosperm, so what happened? The nucleus which are scattered here, they are surrounded by the cytoplasm and forming a cell and called as a cellular endosperm. It is found in case of the dicot plant. Now after that we are observing the halobile endosperm. Halobile endosperm, it is found in case of the monocot. Here this division will be appear, cell division will be appear, larger cell towards the micropyle end and the smaller cell towards the xylem. And the nucleus is a breakdown, and this process is called karyokinosis. After that cytokinosis will be appear and the cells are formed. This is called development of endosperm.